Many people believe their body clock is fixed forever. They might say, "I am just a night owl, and there is nothing I can do about it." This is a very common idea. It suggests our sleep patterns are set in stone from birth. We hear it from friends, family, and even see it in articles. This belief can make people feel powerless and accept fatigue as permanent. This is a persistent myth. However, it is not entirely accurate. We have tendencies toward being morning or night people, but our internal clock is not rigid. It is actually quite flexible. Think of it as a sensitive instrument that responds to its environment. Your body clock can be influenced. It can be adjusted. You have more control than you might think. Believing it is unchangeable stops us from taking simple steps that help. Imagine someone who works a regular 9 to 5. They feel great. Then, they switch to a night shift. For the first few weeks, they feel terrible and cannot sleep during the day. Their body clock is still on its old schedule. With careful light management and consistent routines, their body adapts. They feel more awake at night and sleep better during the day. This proves the body clock is not fixed. Adaptability is built into our biology to sync with the 24-hour day. So what is this body clock? Scientists call it the circadian rhythm. Circadian comes from Latin. Circa means about, dian means day. It lasts about a day. This timing system is fundamental across life, from tiny bacteria to giant whales. Think of it as a conductor keeping many body sections in harmony. Digestive system, immune system, hormones, brain activity, timed to the rhythm. It tells you when to be active and when to rest and repair. When the conductor leads well, life flows. When disrupted, it feels like noise. It coordinates body temperature, hormone release, metabolism, hunger, mood, and focus. By anticipating light and daily demands, your body prepares instead of merely reacting. Deep inside your brain, there is a master clock. A tiny cluster of about 20,000 nerve cells controls the operation. It is the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN, in the hypothalamus, just above where the optic nerves cross. It is perfectly positioned to receive outside information, light. Special retinal cells, different from vision cells, tell your brain if it is day or night. When light hits them, a signal goes straight to the SCN, the most important cue it receives. The SCN uses light and darkness to synchronize your internal 24-hour rhythm to the planet. It then sends messages via nerves and hormones to clocks in your liver, muscles, heart, gut, and lungs. The SCN free runs near 24 hours in darkness, often slightly long. Morning light resets it daily, crucial to staying in sync. Light is the most powerful signal for your body clock. Bright morning light sends a strong wake-up signal, lowering sleep hormones and boosting alertness. Morning light anchors your rhythm for the day. As evening fades, your SCN triggers melatonin, the hormone of darkness, to prepare you for sleep. Modern life confuses signals. Dim days indoors, bright screens at night suppress melatonin. Like a plant, your clock thrives on bright days and dark nights. Clear, consistent light cues. Too little daytime light leaves you groggy. Too much bright light at night makes it harder to fall asleep. Work with your biology. Bright mornings, gentle evenings. Many claim, "I function perfectly on 5 hours." A rare gene allows this, but for most, it is a myth. Chronic short sleep impairs cognition, mood, and long-term health. Sleeping in helps a little, but does not erase weekday loss and creates social jet lag. Short midday naps of 10 to 20 minutes can boost alertness without grogginess. Clocks vary by age. Teens shift later, older adults earlier. First, get morning light for 10 to 30 minutes as soon as you can after waking. Second, keep bed and wake times stable, including weekends, within about an hour. Third, dim lights 1 to 2 hours before bed and avoid bright screens, or use night mode and low brightness.